G'day, I'm John, today here in the Bristol conference room at EarthWay, and we're going to unbox the 2150. I want to show you the different things that are in it. Now, before I get started, we redesigned the 2150 to include the handle assembly fully assembled for you, so this process of assembling the 2150 is much quicker. So if you have a little bit of an older unit, maybe something prior to March of 2021, it may need the assembly process. The instructions will show you both of those. So without further ado, we're going to open up the box here today. And we're going to pull out the different components and name them for you. So first of all, we start with the instructions. Put those to the side. You've got your hopper screen that's at the very end. We've got two tires, and the two tires, they are identical both left and right. So it won't matter. I'm going to pull out my hopper. Take off the hopper assembly. And I'm going to pull it upside down, and one of my tires is here on the inside. So I'll put that here. All right, what else do we have in here? We've got the frame assembly, lower frame assembly, so we'll put that on the hopper like that for the start of the process. And here is the new part. So our assembly of the handle is already done for us. I'm going to explain this a little bit later. If you're a taller operator, you'll see this is now adjustable. So we'll walk through how to make that adjustment. And we'll put the handle right there in the middle. Okay, got two lower frame pieces. So this is basically how this goes together. Got our gearbox, that'll go in there. Our hardware pack, so the remaining nuts and bolts. Got our axle and control kit. Put that to the side. And lastly, we have our impeller. We'll put that on. So if you order a 2150 either online or pick it up at your retailer, these are the components that you have. And over the next 15 minutes, if you watch our second video, we'll show how to assemble it together. Have a great day. Take care.